What could be sweeter than making edible furniture for Barbie? You're gonna love these yummy ideas for dollhouse furniture. From scrumptious sofas to tasty tables, it's gonna be a mouth-watering extravaganza of delicious dollhouse decorations. But before we get started, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. All right, crafty hackers, let's do this. Snag a cookie box from the pantry and glue some gummy worms to the bottom. It goes without saying that you shouldn't eat candy with hot glue on it. Yuck! If you want to make this with edible glue, frosting will work too. Stick these long licorice to the sides of the box, and for the bedspread, melt white and dark chocolate together to give it this marble effect. Create a design in the chocolate with a toothpick. Large marshmallows make perfectly soft pillows. Now that's a delicious bed. Aren't these lollipops pretty? Let's give them a makeover anyhow. Snip the sticks off and cut 2 colorful straws into 3-inch pieces. Glue the straws to one of the lollipops, like this. Then glue the edges of the lollipops together to make a chair. Sweet chair! Can you guess what these chocolate bars are going to be? You'll have to wait and see. First, melt the 2 edges of the bars and fuse them together. Ask your parents to help you cut a peppermint stick. Then have them heat up the end of the peppermint sticks and stick them to your chocolate bar. A couple of Oreo throw pillows and you've got a decadent sofa. For this mystery item, you'll need to glue a bunch of sour straws into a cylinder shape, like this. Glue the straws to a piece of paper first to make it easier. Then cut a piece of red licorice about this tall and push a toothpick through the center. Stand the licorice up in the center of your silly straw base. Isn't cotton candy the most amazing invention ever? Grab a handful and stick it onto the toothpick stand. Now it's coming together. Add a few candy hearts to your tasty tree. Apparently, candy does grow on trees. Go ahead and glue the bottom of a cupcake to a peppermint stick. Then have your folks cut the top off. Off you go! Now, melt some white chocolate and add a bit of food coloring. Smooth the chocolate over the top of the cupcake and drizzle with frosting gel. Barbie's gonna freak out when you take a bite out of her table. Yum! We're not done yet. Use a cup to trace a circle on a piece of cardboard. Scratch, scribble, scratch. Okay, perfect. Now cut out the circle and unbend a few paper clips. Poke the paperclip wires through the center of a red licorice vine. Okay, clearly you shouldn't bite into these now. Ouch! Okay, where were we? Right. Bend 3 licorice wires into these, sort of distorted C shapes, with a slightly smaller bend at one end, and tape them together with pretty tape. Okay then, on the similar bends of the licorice, glue your perfect cardboard circle. Pour on some melted white chocolate. Yum! Before the chocolate dries, stick Skittles or M&Ms, or whatever little round candy you love, to the white chocolate circle. Sprinkle, sprinkle! What a delightful mosaic table! Seriously, this is giving us the munchies over here. Who here agrees that the world is so much better with marshmallows in it? Let's make a little flower. Put your marshmallows together. Add a piece of sour tape to the center. Do the old toothpick and the licorice trick and stick it to the marsh flower. Okay, that's totally a made-up word. Glue on some candies at the bottom to make a stand, and decorate the dream house with as many of these as you like. Okay, now you're going to need some aluminum foil and a rectangular piece of foam board. Glue the foil to the board. And stick on your favorite candies to make a mirror with a yummy frame. Alright, for this next furniture craft, cut out a few pieces of cardboard. Here comes the candy tape. Glue the gummy tape to the cardboard pieces and glue the pieces together to make a table. Now get a glass of water and a bowl. Make it snow powdered sugar into your bowl. Mix with water and food coloring. Drizzle this dreamy sugar mix on the top of your table. Sprinkles make everything better, and one can never have too many hearts. Now you've got a table for your candy tree. Rainbow licorice is our new favorite thing. For this, we glued the licorice to these pieces of paper, cut out into long rectangles. Time to assemble. Glue the licorice walls to a large piece of paper. These Skittles are perfect little doorknobs. Look, you guys, it's a candy closet. Okay, cardboard box, time to transform. That's more like it. We're gonna need some wallpaper and new flooring. Let's make a window here. Straw or curtain rod, you decide. Shall we furnish the place? Now sew a few gummy bears together on a string for the most awesome curtains ever. Some lollipop art for the walls. And a few well-placed gummy bears. Your candy palace is complete, Barbie. Now, what to wear? How about a cotton candy skirt? The great thing about this stuff is how easy it sticks together. A licorice rope belt is the perfect accessory. A little more up top. We found that tweezers work pretty well for fluffing up the cotton candy. What a sweet little dress! We love Kinder Eggs. For this project, carefully cut the chocolate egg open. Then grab a couple of oversized marshmallows and some marshmallow cream. Spread it onto the marshmallow so it works like glue, holding the marshmallows together. Now use the cream to stick these yummy little bite-sized candies to the marshmallow tower. Can you guess what this is yet? Okay, now smush a marshmallow and shape it into this little bowl shape. Remember that Kinder Egg? Well, now you're going to spread marshmallow cream all over one half of the egg. Stick it to the marshmallow bowl you created. And stick it to the top of your marshmallow pedestal. Cut a piece of gold licorice rope and stick it to the egg to make a faucet. You guessed it! It's a sink! A little green licorice rope makes for a lovely detail. Time to wash all that sugar off your hands, Barbie. One girl's pineapple is another girl's, well, you'll just have to wait and see. Have mom or dad cut your pineapple in half lengthwise. Then hollow out the center. Perfect! Now push some popsicle sticks through the outer skin. It's a tropical bathtub! We had so much fun making this luxurious and delicious dollhouse furniture with you. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Now it's time for Barbie and her sister to kick back and relax in their candy fabulous home. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.